In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay safe on Discord. The first step to protecting your Discord account is making sure it has the strongest security possible. Open User Settings, then go to Password and Authentication, and enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. This adds a time-based verification code in addition to your password, making it much harder for anyone to access your account, even if they somehow learn your password. During the setup process, Discord will provide backup codes. Be sure to save these somewhere secure and offline so you can still access your account if you lose your authenticator device. While you're in this section, check that you're using a strong, unique password that isn't shared with your email or social media accounts. A password manager can help generate long, random passwords and safely remember them for you. Next, be aware of common scams. Messages claiming you've won Discord Nitro, received an exclusive reward, or encouraging you to try a game are often designed to steal your login information. Treat links sent through direct messages with caution, even if they appear to come from someone you know, since their account could have been compromised. You should also be careful of fake staff accounts. Legitimate Discord staff have a system badge on their profile and will never message you first asking for verification codes, passwords, or account credentials. If someone does, ignore the message and report the account. Take a moment to improve your privacy settings as well. In User Settings, open Privacy and Safety and enable Keep Me Safe to help filter direct messages containing explicit content. In your server settings, disable direct messages from server members you don't know. You can also limit friend requests to friends of friends or disable them completely if you want more control over who can contact you. It's also a good habit to review what has access to your account. Open authorized apps and remove anything unfamiliar or no longer needed. Then check connected accounts and disconnect any services you don't recognize to reduce unnecessary data sharing. Choose your communities carefully and only trust reputable servers. Avoid servers promoting Nitro giveaways, cryptocurrency giveaways, or verification processes that ask you to sign in outside of Discord. Likewise, only give administrator permissions to bots you fully trust, and never share your email address, password, or account token with any bot. If someone harasses you or breaks Discord's rules, report and block them. Enable developer mode under the Advanced section in User Settings. Then right-click the offending message and choose Report. You can also block the user directly from their profile to stop future direct messages and friend requests. Finally, keep your device secure. Get Discord only from the official Discord website or your device's official app store. If you ever click a suspicious link, change your password immediately, sign out of all devices, and run a full antivirus scan. Taking a few minutes to apply these protections today can help keep your Discord account safe in the future. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,